Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of Spotify. Restarting app won't be long, as you see here. You should just go to settings, as you see. You should follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to settings. Then we will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will scrolling down until you find the application of Spotify, and you will click here. Then in this page, you will go to permissions. You will check if all these permissions are allowed. Notifications, music and audio allow here. For example, photos and videos or anything you can choose, especially these two permissions you should to allow them, notifications and music and audio, like this. Then you will return to this window of app info. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. That's how to fix this problem. Then you will go to the application of Spotify, as you see, and here you will find it like this. So here you will know how to fix your problem on Spotify. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.